So today I want to show you how to add the subscribe button on your YouTube videos right over here. So we're going to go ahead and quickly show you how to do that. But before we do, make sure you actually hit that subscribe button, kind of like you saw in the video playing in the background right over here, so you can keep on learning and growing with running your YouTube channel as a business. So once you have hit that subscribe button, we're here on the YouTube Studio dashboard. And what we're going to want to do is click on the customizations tab on the left-hand side of the screen here for us. So we're going to click on customization. And then here towards the top, you're going to see an option that says branding. So what we're going to do is click on branding right over here. And then we're going to see towards the very bottom, there's an option that says watermark for you, and you can actually choose the duration of the time. You can have it just at the end of the video, you can have it at the beginning, or you can have it in the entire video. And then there should be an option here for you to be able to upload it. Now, in order to get one that looks like this, you can actually just Google search subscribe button PNG, so that way it can actually go ahead and be able to be transparent at the bottom of the video without having anything else around it. And then that way you get that video clip that looks similar to mine, and that way it helps people start subscribing more to your YouTube channel. Now I want you to check out this next video over here to keep on learning and growing with your business.